Okay guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the MetroPCS Alcatel OneTouch Evolve. This is a Android phone. It is a 3G phone. It is also a budget phone. A little description of the phone is the Alcatel OneTouch Evolve offers an affordable and enjoyable experience for those looking for a simple smartphone experience. The high-quality, large 4 WVGA screen provides vivid details for photos, videos, and games. The simple and intuitive user interface runs Android 4.1 Jellybean and features an adaptive keyboard for typing accuracy and voice typing capabilities. What comes included in the box is the phone, the Alcatel OneTouch Evolve, the battery, the charger, micro USB cable, SIM card, quick reference guide, MetroPCS quick start guide, and accessory coupon. So let's get into the box. So the first thing inside the box, as you can see, is the phone. This is a look. So let's put the phone on the side and let's keep looking at the box. So here we got the SIM card, the quick start guide, a coupon for the headphones, more quick reference guides, the micro USB cable, and the wall adapter, and also we have the battery. So right now let's insert the SIM card into the phone right here. Give me 1 second. Now we're going to insert the battery. And let's turn on the phone. While the phone is turned on, let's take a look at the phone. At the bottom we have nothing. On the right side we have the volume rocker. On the top side we have the power button and the 3.5 headphone jack. And on the left side we have the charging port, micro USB. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.